From the first inventions to global industry, we've built the world with endless ambition. But progress came at a cost. Vulnerability on critical operations, reliance on foreign manufacturers, weakened national deterrence. It's time for a new paradigm. Manufacturing that is local, intelligent, and competitive. Powered by Roboze advanced manufacturing. Our proprietary technology merges advanced material science with robotics and automation. Protected by more than 10 patents, designed for the highest precision and reliability on a large scale. Enabling the creation of superpolymers, each one tested beyond limits. Timeless durability, extreme toughness, flame retardant. Engineered to perform where few have succeeded across air, land, and sea. But it's not just about performance. It's about resilience, security, and sovereignty. Roboze, rebuilding the manufacturing backbone for aerospace and defense.